So this race you mentioned, when's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you to?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
Huh. So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, there's a cabana boy packing a submachine gun with your name on it. And besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking. F him in the A.
Nothing gives you the hunger like a day of shooting and skinning animals for sport.
Here. Racer Girl! How are you, my darling?
I'd be better if I had some of your bitches brew.
A new batch will be ready tomorrow, my sweet.
That's what I like to hear. Who's your friend?
Jason, meet Racer Girl. Racer Girl, Jason, a new driver.
Sweet. Hope you can keep up. You driving 2E?
No, just along for the ride.
Then hop in. Show's about to start.
Now, 87-8 to 9.
87. 3, 2,
I just received some horrible
go!
news from a very dear friend of mine. I know this may come as a shock to many of my fans.
Faster.
The dungeon where I used to work is closing down. Miss Kitty's Dungeons of Delight is no more as of next Monday. Apparently, the building was bought by a large real estate conglomerate who plans on putting in another big chain coffee shop. A coffee shop! As if the 3 on that block weren't enough already. I'll never forget the times I spent rocking out to the tunes on the radio,
Nice.
digging my stiletto into the scrotum of some grateful worm. I'll tell you, I entered that music. Keep it in your hearts, rockers. Always.
The knife. 87. Making it.
Yeah!
You're in Polly's playground now. Only the hottest cuts. Party 87-8.
Hey, Janet! Wanna go to the dance with me? Yeah, right, loser.
Walk like a man and smell like a Viking.
Wow! A real-life Viking!
That's right, little wee man. I can smell the failure on you from across the room. But there's a solution. Longsword Body Wash. The only body wash that'll make you smell like a real Viking. Come here.
Stop! I'm not comfortable with this!
Stop squirming, you baby.
These words are killing me!
They're exfoliation beads.
I'm bleeding!
That's what men do, boy. They bleed. Now, let's go see what your wife thinks of this.
Suck it, you sucky sucker!
Take me now, you godless beast!
Longsword Body Wash.
Faster! Faster! Woohoo! Nice!
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.
I can handle anything you throw at me.
Good to know. There's always other races going on in Vegas, you know. If you find yourself strapped for cash, hit one up.
Yeah, I might do that.
See you around.